Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to log in email on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So simply you just open your Gmail, Chrome or Google. So like I'm open my Gmail. Okay. Press on add an email address. Select Google. Enter email address. Press on next and you just enter password. Press on next. I agree and successfully log in my email account. So that's it.